It is the vast and wild highland in north-central China, called Loess Plateau. The region is overlain by a mantle of fine-grained, wind-deposited, yellowish alluvium known as loess. The government has conducted programs to control erosion through afforestation and terracing on an extensive scale to permit better agricultural use of the land. The green in fields you can see are corn, which becomes the major crop on the plateau in recent years. Cave dwellings are unique houses that are very common in the Loess Plateau in northwest of China. This type of residence is very different from the buildings found in cities and is a cultural symbol of northwest China. The geology of Loess Plateau was not suitable for building houses, but the intelligent people creatively made full use of the plateau and dug caves for housing. Now, asphalt road has connected all villages. People are using modern machines for farming instead of donkey and cow labor. The Loess is highly subject to erosion because of sparse vegetation, heavy precipitation in summer, and gullying. Because lack of rain and no water for irrigation, most people live in a lower position on mountains, while fields can collect more rainwater. For the same reason, people here developed many terrace fields on top of mountains. In the area, the major production trees are apricot trees. People live very scattered, almost every family owns a big mountain. The land is barren. Most farmers here are poor actually. There are some villages which people live together in flat areas. Normally, they are brothers or cousins from the same family. This village was an ancient military stronghold. Great earth walls still exist. This is a watchtower. In ancient times, if intruders approached, soldiers on the tower would create smoke in the daytime and light a fire at night to ward their troops. The sun is gradually setting west, and the sheep are following shepherd home. More and more young people move to and settle in cities. Old elders are still working on their beloved land. We may not see much grain in fields after 10 or 20 years. No any air and light pollution here. The Milky Way in midnight is just amazing.